Okay, yeah. So I'm going to make a juice with some water with some lime juice. So yeah. So let's make it. So we have to get. Okay, there's no ice. So yeah. Lime. We got some lime powder. Oh, get, let's get the straw out of the way. They do like this. They open this and we're going to put a little bit. Okay, this will be enough because I like sour, but not that kind of sour. We're going to add some. I'm so dumb. So powder first. Okay, we add the powder. This is the color of the powder. That's so weird. Let's taste it. Let's add the lime juice. Shall we add the water first? Lime or okay. Wait, let me just. That color is so weird. I got to put on this in, but oh, sorry. I'll just try it, but let's put it. Plop. This looks not appetizing right now. We're going to add this spicy thing. Let me just try this. My sister she wanted, but let's add this. Well, I got another straw, so let's drink. Well, that's very good. Bye.